Good afternoon, students. Today we will see exercise 1.2. The empty set. Okay, a set which does not contain any element is called an empty set. Okay, a set which does not contain any element is called the empty set, or the null set, or the void set. Okay, it is denoted by phi or only by process. Okay, for example, a set A is equal to the set of all x such that x is a natural number, means x belongs to n. Okay, and x is greater than 5 and less than 6. Here we see that x belongs to n means x is a natural number, and x is greater than 5 and less than 6. There is no natural number between 5 and 6. Okay, therefore this set is empty set. Okay, we can write it H, or A is equal to 5. Okay, now singleton set. Okay, a set which contain exactly one element is called singleton set. A set which contains only one element is called a singleton set. Okay, for example, a set A is equal to 2. Here element is only 1, therefore it is singleton set. Okay, now finite set. Finite or finite and infinite set. Okay, finite means if the number of elements are definite, okay, then we say the set is finite. A set which is, we can also say that a set which is empty or consists a definite number of elements is called finite. Otherwise the set is called infinite. Okay, for example, first, okay, first which is finite, the set of natural numbers. less than 10. Okay, here we see that this collection contains only 9 elements, because the natural number less than 10 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, we can write it as, denoting the set by A, we can write A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Here we can count this number, and this is definitely number, so this is finite set. Okay, this is finite set. Second, which is not finite, means infinite set. The set of natural numbers greater than 10. Here the natural number greater than 10 are infinite in numbers, because we cannot count that numbers. Okay, and thus this, denoting this set by B, we can write as 11 12 13 and dot dot. This is the collection of infinite set. Okay, now next, equal and unequal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. Okay, if the number of elements A, number nahi, each elements of set A or each element of set B. Okay, then we say that A is equal to B, and we write A is equal to B. Otherwise the set are called unequal. Sets. Okay, the sets are called unequal. Here we can take example. For example, let's set A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, and set B is equal to 2 3 1 4. Here we see that the elements of set A are the elements of set B. Okay, therefore we can write it A is equal to B. And if the element of A, the elements of set A are not the elements of set B, then we can say A is not equal to B. Okay, so we can write unequal set as A is not equal to B. Okay, and write A is not equal to B in definitions. Okay, now equivalent set. Two sets A and B are equivalent. Are called equivalent if the number of set A is equal to the number of set B. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, C. Here elements are different but are same in the numbers, okay? Therefore, A and B are equivalent. Here in A is equal to 3 and in B is equal to 3. Therefore, both are equivalent sets, okay? Now, let's proceed to exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Question number first. Which of the following set are example of null set? Null means empty set, okay? First, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Here, this set is of odd natural number. You know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? But we have to take odd natural numbers. So odd means 1, 3, 5 and which is divisible by 2. 2 set divisible. Here there is no odd number which is divisible by 2. Therefore, this set is empty set, okay? Therefore, this set is empty set because there is no element which is divisible by 2. We can write it as because there is no odd natural number divisible by 2, okay? Next, second, set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. You know, prime numbers, a number which is divisible by itself or only one is called prime number. Here, the set of even prime numbers. You know, even prime number is to all prime numbers. We can write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, okay? Here, this set is of even prime numbers. So here, even prime number is only 2, and we can write this set as okay. Here, there is only one element, okay? Therefore, it is singleton set, and so this is not null set. It is singleton set. Therefore, this is not null set, okay? Next, x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7, okay? A natural number which is greater than 5, which is less than 5 and this third, x such that x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Okay, here x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and greater than 7. There is no natural number which is less than 5 and greater than 7. Therefore you can write is the set as, and thus this is empty set. Okay, similarly you can solve question number 4. Now we see question number 2. Okay, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Okay, इसमें finite और infinite check करना है. First, the set of months of a year. The set of months of a year. Here we can count. Here the elements of the set are definite because there are only 12 months. There are 12 elements. Okay, therefore this is finite set. This is finite set because here there are 12 elements. Okay, and so this is finite. Next, second, 1, 2, 3 and dot dot so on. Here you see the number of this set is not finite, is finite. Okay, sorry, is not finite because dot means it continue indefinitely. Okay, therefore this is infinite set. Okay, next, 1, 2, 3 dot dot 99 and 100. Okay, here numbers are finite. Numbers are finite, therefore it is finite set. Okay, next, 4. This is finite set. The set of positive integer greater than 100. Positive integer greater than 100. This is infinite set. Okay, similarly you can solve question number 5. Next, question number 3. Here state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. First, the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Here this is x-axis. Okay, and there are infinite parallel lines which are parallel to x-axis. Okay, you can see here parallel. Therefore this is finite set. Okay, this is finite set. Infinite set, sorry. Because there are infinite numbers of such lines. Okay, next, second, the set of letters in English alphabet. You know there are only 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, so this is finite set. Next, third, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means you can write as therefore this is infinite set. Okay, infinite set. Next, the set of animals living on the earth. Fourth, the set of animals living on the earth, because this is a quite big number. Okay, here this is the set of animals living on the earth. This is finite set, क्योंकि ये नंबर जो है बहुत बड़ा होगा और डेफिनिट हो सकता है ना, therefore it is finite set, डेफिनिट होगा. Next, fifth, the set of circle passing through the origin. सर्कल जो ओरिजिन से पास करे, ये तो इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स हो सकते हैं ना, therefore it is infinite set. Okay, next question number 4. In the following sets, whether A is equal to B or not. इसमें चेक करना है कि A इक्वल टू B है या नहीं है. देख लो फर्स्ट, A इज इक्वल टू ABCD एंड B इज इक्वल टू BCBA. इसमें ABCD है, इसमें भी ABCD है, तो यहाँ पे तो A इक्वल टू B होगा. ऐसे सब 4-5 क्वेश्चन है, कर लेना है खुद से. ठीक है, एक और देख लो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10 and B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 dot dot. यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं x, the set of all x such that x is a multiple of 10. 10 का multiple means 10, 20, 30 and set B is the multiple of 5 because here 10, 15, 20 is others. Okay, therefore this is not equal. In this collection you can write 10, 20, 30 multiple of 10, therefore both are not equal, and so this is not equal. Next question number 5. Are the following pairs of sets equal? इसमें भी तो equal चेक करना है. देखो 5th का first, A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to the set of all x such that x is a solution of quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. जैसा कि जो B है ये सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में दिया है, x is a solution of this quadratic, इसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड कर लो. x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, x कॉमन कर लो, x प्लस 2, यहाँ 3 कॉमन करो, x प्लस 2, x प्लस 2 और x प्लस 3 हो गया. This implies x is equal to -2 and -3. Therefore, the elements are 2 and -3. Here A is not equal to B. Okay. Next, form from the sets given below. Select equal set. इसमें equal select करना है. A is equal to दिया है 2, 4, 8, 12 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. C is equal to 4, 8, 12, 14, 3, 1 4 -1 and 1. 0 and 8. 1 -1 0 1. ये सब सेट्स दिया है, इसमें चेक करना है कौन किसके इक्वल है, तो खुद से कर सकते हो। एलिमेंट्स अगर सेम रहेंगे तो इक्वल होगा, नहीं तो इक्वल नहीं होगा। देख लो कौन किसके इक्वल है। यहाँ पे सेट डी के इक्वल है, क्योंकि इसमें 1 2 3 4, इसमें भी 1 2 3 4, तो डी इक्वल टू डी हो गया। फिर देखो ये इसके इक्वल नहीं हो सकता है, इसके इक्वल भी नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि इसमें 14 और 12 है, इसके इक्वल भी नहीं हो सकता है। ये 1 -1 और -1 1, तो यहाँ पे ई और जी इक्वल दिख रहा है। ओके, और कुछ इक्वल दिख रहा है नहीं, तो इक्वल है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।